Hello there, student. Today, here in this video, we are going to learn about economics, chapter number 1. In this story of development, indicators of development. Today, we are going to learn about these indicators of development. So before this, let us recall back again development. What is development? Previous times, I told you that development is a change in our life or change in our society, change in our country, which is in a positive way. So as we know that development is change. So now let us see indicators of development. Point number 1 is PCI, that we call it per capita income. So let's see the meaning of this. What is per capita income? Per capita income is the income that every one of us will get if the national income is distributed equally among the citizens. High per capita incomes can provide citizens with a decent standard of living. So as we all know that per capita income is income of one person. In the simplest way, we can know that this is income of only 1% or income of individuals. So how to find these PCI? In order to find this PCI, per capita income, that we need to know the total income of individuals of the given number of persons and 15 and older in a specific area. It is divided by total populations in a specific area. That means the income is divided by the number of the populations. So in order to find this per capita incomes of the state or for the country, so we need to find the national income is divided by the total population of our country. So let us go to the next point. This is, as you have seen in the picture in the slide, a small baby, that is infant. That is the infant mortality rate. This is in short IMR. We call it IMR. This is infant mortality rate. So let us see about this. What is IMR? Infant mortality rate is the chance of dying of infants per 1,000 live births in a year. Inadequate healthcare facilities due to poverty is the main reason behind high infant mortality rate, that is IMR. So you know that this IMR is the chance of dying of infant. Infant means below 1 year of age. This is mainly caused by the inadequate supply of health facilities and also due to poverty. This is especially in rural areas and also in the urban areas. So when we talk about this IMR, IMR is equal to number of deaths of children below 1 year of age in a year, which is divided by number of live births in the same year, and that is multiplied with 1,000. So this is the formula how to find this IMR, the rate of infant mortality in a given specific area. I repeat again, in order to find the exact rate of IMR for the country or for the state, is we need to divide the number of children below 1 year of age in a year. It is divided by the number of live births in the same year, which is multiplied both with 1,000. So this is the way how we find out IMR or infant mortality rate. Let us go to next again. Next is sex ratio. When we talk about sex ratios consist of both male and female, the number of both male and female. So let us see what is the actual meaning of this sex ratio. This is the number of females per 1,000 males. That means the number of females in 1,000 males. If it is less than 1,000, sex ratio is said to be adverse for females. So this is the main reason about this adverse of sex ratio. Adverse sex ratio means especially for the females. In some states in our country, just like Punjab, the number of females are very less than the number of males. Here in the picture, it is given here, status of sex ratio in Indian states and union territories. So the left hand side is females, only one, and then the right hand side is male. It is greater in number, that is 4. Reasons for adverse sex ratio of females. The first point is female foeticide. Second one is son preference and daughter aversion. Third, post-birth selection. Fourth is lack of education and awareness. The last one is social attitude and perceptions. These are the main reasons for adverse sex ratio of females. So students, you have to note it down all these things and you have to memorize it. Let us go to next again. Next point is that expectation of life at birth. This is the number of years a newborn infant would live. This is the comprehensive measure of the health of people. Every age is associated with a specific chance of dying. This is a specific mortality rate. So this is depending on the health conditions and the health status of the infant or of each and every one of us. You can also see from the given picture life expectancy in India. Now, Human Development Index, that is in short HDI. Let us see what is Human Development Index. Human Development Index, HDI, is a composite index measuring three dimensions of human development: health, knowledge, and income. Beside income, health and knowledge are important to development. Students, I want you all to note it down these all the slides which I had given you here one by one, and then learn it properly, because this question is consistently asked in board examination also in 5 marks. So thank you. All of you stay safe, stay home, and try to study anytime. Thank you.